The rapid rise of AI has created new headaches for higher education. Instructors are split on whether to embrace or ban it. Students are using it to bypass critical thinking, and employers are demanding AI-fluent graduates. Amid a flood of tools, administrators are being pushed to adapt quickly while balancing risks and opportunities. That's where Packback comes in. We provide the only pedagogically grounded instructional AI platform that turns AI from a distraction into a strategic advantage, using student engagement as a driver of retention. Most generative AI tools replace student effort, short-circuiting the learning process. Packback is different. Our instructional AI is purpose-built for education, serving as a tutor and coach that guides students through writing and strengthens critical thinking. By cultivating authentic learning and originality at the source, Packback prevents academic dishonesty before it happens. For administrators, this means improved retention, stronger engagement, and a sustainable alternative to detection-based approaches. For faculty, Packback reduces the burden of grading and the pressure to police AI-written work. It improves student writing through real-time feedback during the writing process, while automates administrative tedium for faculty, all in a single platform. The time saved gives educators space for meaningful feedback, mentorship, and authentic student connections that drive stronger outcomes. Since 2018, institutions have relied on Packback to meet the highest standards for privacy, security, and accessibility. Every interaction is safe, ethical, and aligned with institutional values. Beyond compliance, Packback provides what institutions need most: control, flexibility, and insight into how AI supports teaching and learning. Decisions about AI on your campus are already being made every day. Without immediate action from leadership, institutions risk years of unwinding fragmented choices made without guidance. Student engagement and retention are being shaped every day by how classrooms use AI. Now is the time to lead with purpose, aligning AI with authentic learning and student growth. Contact us today and schedule a demo.